Hey guys, James G0SEC here, just thought I'd do a final video on the junction box outside before I close the lid for a while. So the junction box is done. As you can see, I'll just talk you through it if you haven't seen this video before. Nice seal on the, this is like a rubber seal that goes around it, which is really quite nice. It's going to be nice and watertight when it's all clamped up. But there it is guys, it's all the cables. And all colour coded. This is the long wire, this is the HF beam, this is the 17 metre wire antenna, this is for VHF, UHF and VHF and UHF, which is actually the I think I showed you not long ago. Is if I could just show you there, I don't know if you can see right at the top there, there's a collinear right at the top. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's actually pivoted in. It's not connected like a usual U-clamp. It's connected via 16 really heavy duty rivets that go into the bottom of the collinear, and the cable goes through the actual mast pole. And I don't know if I can show you. Hang on just one second, it's a bit hard to look up there. The actual, I don't know if you can see this cable here. It goes in here above the rotor cage and then up through the centre of the pole up into the collinear. So that's how I done it. Anyway, so that's the end of the box saga. Now the job is to get it all the earth done and get that completed inside. These ferrite beads are on the inside as well. So it's all pretty tough. You can't really move this stuff. It's all done pretty tough. This here is the, if you haven't seen this video before, this is the choke, RF choke. Basically stops the currents going back into the shack. I was getting problems on the wire antenna, and which is this antenna. You can see this cable, this twin feed got up here to the wire antenna, and it goes back down to the bottom of the garden. I was getting problems on the weather station, and unfortunately it was knocking it out. Now I could put the amplifier on, no problem, full power, and nothing. The clock in the shack doesn't worry it, so that's good. So like I said, there's this is on the other side, and then on the other side of all these cables is a G0SEC engineering filter, just for extra protection. And on the other side of this plate is another plate. This plate's the screws. I don't know if you can see that one here, and this one here, the center bolts, they go right the way through the wall. And there's another plate on the other side which is a little bit smaller than this plate, and that's basically got an earth strap on it, and it goes to the corner here inside, and it's been drilled from a friend of mine that drilled a hole right inside, right down deep. And then we got a heavy duty copper rod that goes right the way down into the earth. It's about 8 foot long, so it was a good job, well done. At least I didn't have to drill it myself. So there it is guys, pleased it's all done. It's taken me a couple of weeks to get it all sorted with the cables. I'm glad that I've now got them all colour coded. The next job is just to check everything with the analyzer, make sure that everything's where it should be and I haven't made any mistakes. And it's now time to close the box, which I'm about to do now. There she is, and I'm going to screw her up, and it's a job done. Speak to you soon guys. G0SEC off and clear.